Welcome to Chris Budget Gears and Reviews, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Palmetto State Armory 16-inch cold hammered forge 1-in-7 twist A2 mid-length 5.56 NATO Premium Dissapator AR-15 upper assembly. No bolt carrier, no charging handle. But before we take a look at this beautiful upper, first I want to give a little history of the Dissapator according to Palmetto State Armory, reading directly off of their website. Once upon a time, a Dissapator AR-15 was created by taking a 20-inch rifle-length gas system upper and cutting the barrel down to 16 inches. This allowed the shooter to keep the long sight radius of a rifle for accuracy, but keep the carbine-lift barrel for maneuverability. The proximity of the gas port to the muzzle, however, played havoc with timing and made reliability a hit-or-miss proposition. Advances in AR technology have produced reliable carbine and mid-length gas systems that can be hidden using low-profile gas blocks. This allows for a front sight base to be pinned in the rifle position for the longer sight radius without the worry of the unorthodox gas port location affecting operation. We use the term mock to differentiate our Dissapator from a cut-down rifle-length version. Our hammered forge mid-length Dissapator uses a machine gun steel barrel that is thick chrome lined for durability and high pressure tested and magnetic particle inspected. So that's a little history of the Dissapator upper. Next we're going to go ahead and go over the details of it. It has a 16-inch barrel, hammered forge barrel, machine gun steel, 5.56 NATO chamber, 1-in-7 twists, double thick chrome lined bore and chamber, magnetic particle inspected, M4 feed ramps, forged upper, T-marks. Once again, it does not include a bolt carrier or charging handle. So this is their premium Dissapator. Unfortunately, they have sold out of these. But we're going to take a look at this one. And they do have a nitride one in stock also. But they do not have any premium as of now. But this is it right here. Forged upper, T-marked, has the Palmetto State Armory logo right here. This is a F-marked front sight post, as always, from Palmetto State Armory. And it looks very good. Double chrome line, thick machine gun steel. I love it. Now, I'm going to sit it right here next to an M16A4. Now this is actually a 20-inch barrel. This is basically where the Dissapator comes from. There we go. So the original Dissapator was just cut off right here. But that would cause cycling issues. So as advancements of the AR-15 went on, the low gas profile block became prevalent. So they actually reintroduced the Dissapator. So this is just a front sight post. Like on the M16A4, this is actually your gas block. On this Dissapator, this is not the gas block. This is just a front sight post. The gas block is actually mid-length. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and take the clamshells off. And I got an extra special bonus for y'all too. If you got to stick with me though, I got my whole little setup right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the clamshell from off of there. We could take a look at what it looks like with the clamshell off. Then I'm going to go ahead and put all them attachments on there, and we'll see what it looks like finished. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and get them clamshells off of there, and we'll take a look at it. And we are back. I had to go through the D-ring fight They try to get them handguards off of there, but they are off of there. So this is basically what it looks like. And you can kind of see and get a general idea of how the dissipator is set up. So as you see, it's the same place as a rifle length sight picture. But you see your gas block is right here. So this is the mid length. If it was a carbine length, it'll be more back here. But this is the mid length. So this is kind of showing you the dissipator and what it is and what it's about. Now we're going to go ahead and get ready to set it up. See what it'll look like. Y'all bear with me. I'll be right back one more time. Now we got to keep it real at Chris Budget Gears and Reviews. The reason I haven't set that up yet, I have to file some of this material down right here on the inside of this Magpul rifle length handguard to be able to get it to lock into that upper receiver. So Palmetto State Armory is off just a few millimeters, centimeters, whatever. But I have to file some of this material off in order so I can push it far enough for it and lock it into the delta ring. So once I complete that task right there, I'll be back to show you what it look like once I get the handguard on it. We have finally accomplished the task of getting that handguard on that dissipator. Some of the tools that you may probably need to get that Magpul handguard on that dissipator is a file and a rubber hammer. You're going to have to file it down a little bit, and you're going to have to kind of beat it into place with your hammer. Just telling you the truth. So make sure you got your rubber end on your little mallet, your little hammer, and you'll be able to beat it into place. But it's on there. This is the dissipator. So as I stated earlier, the dissipator, good for iron sights. If you're an iron sight shooter like myself, running that A2 carry handle in there, I'm going to run that Rib 0, Revised Improved Battle 0, which allows me to zero that for 50 yards. And we're good to go. Hopefully y'all take interest in this unboxing. Check out some of my other videos. Y'all be blessed. Be safe. I'm out.